Bonjour. Today we are doing lesson number 3 in Entrejan part 2, which is for class 10th, CBSE and ICSE both. Okay, the name of the lesson is Chercher un travail. Chercher un travail, which means searching for a job. Okay, now let's start reading. Metro Châtelet. It's the name of the metro. Metro Châtelet. Pauline rencontre sa cousine Adeline Véron qui habite à Reims après longtemps. Pauline rencontre means to meet. Pauline meets her cousin Adeline Véron, qui means who, habite means lives in Reims after long time. Okay, so in this chapter you will learn pronorelative simple and pronorelative composé. I hope all of you know what is pronorelative simple because you must have done this in class 9th. Turkey, Udon, and in this chapter you will see pronorelative composé as well. For this I have made a separate video. I will share the link below. Okay, so you can go and check that video. You can understand pronorelative simple and pronorelative composé. Okay. So, Pauline. Ah, Adeline, quelle surprise. Oh, Adeline, what a surprise. Salut, Pauline, ça va? Hi, Pauline. Are you fine? Oui, ça va? Yes, fine. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu fais à Paris? What are you doing in Paris? Fais is fair verb to do. Qu'est-ce que means what? To means you in Paris. Ça fait 6 mois que j'ai quitté Reims. It's been 6 months since I quit, I left Reims. Maintenant, now, j'ai un travail dont je suis contente. Now I have a work of which I'm happy. Où? Where? L'entreprise dans laquelle je travaille se trouve 100 mètres d'ici. The enterprise in which here, dans laquelle is pronorelative composé. So basically pronorelative composé is their preposition plus lequel, laquelle, lesquels, anything according to the gender and number of the noun. Okay. The enterprise in which I'm working is located 100 meters from here. Je suis secrétaire. I'm secretary. Qu'est-ce que tu fais comme travail? What kind of job do you do? Or what kind of work do you do? Ah, tu sais. Oh, you know. Say is savoir verb which means to know. Un peu de travail intellectuel et manuel. A little bit of intellectual and manual work. Je dois prendre des notes. I have to take notes. Que je dois rédiger sous forme de lettres sur l'ordinateur. Que is pronorelative simple here. That I have to write. Rédiger means write. Rédiger is the synonym of écrire verb. I have to write under the form of letters on the computer. Je tape des textes. I type texts que je dois imprimer sur l'imprimante. That, again, that que is pronorelative simple. That I have to print on the printer. Je range les dossiers. I arrange the files. Et je dois des photocopies. Je fais des photocopies. I do the photocopies. Une secrétaire a beaucoup de travail, beaucoup de choses à faire. A secretary has lots of things to do. Choses means things. Mais c'est un poste dont je suis fier. But this is a post of which I'm proud. So, dont is pronorelative simple here. Now, Pauline says que c'est intéressant. How interesting. On se reverra un de ces jours. We will meet again one of these days. Au revoir, Pauline. Bye bye, Pauline. Relis les phrases avec don. Now, you have to connect the phrases using the pronorelative don. Je connais l'homme. La voiture de cet homme est noire. Alors, okay, when do we write don? Normally we see the repetition in the second sentence. If there is the preposition before the repetition, then we make it dans. Okay, je connais l'homme dont la voiture est noire. Okay, let me write it here. Okay. So we will remove this the set because set is a repetition, and the preposition plus repetition you have to remove and put don instead of that, and don will be here. I hope it's clear. Now next sentences I can read. Nous adorons le voisin, sa fille est belle. Okay. We love the neighbors. Her, no, it's masculine. His daughter is beautiful. So it will be nous adorons le voisin dont la fille est belle. Even here there is no repetition, but his daughter, the daughter of the neighbor, right? So the dont will come. Voici mon ami Pierre, son père est un footballeur célèbre. Voici third one. Mon ami Pierre, Pierre, dont le père est un footballeur célèbre. Next is je n'aime pas cette chemise, c'est manches. So you will remove c'est and put dans les manches. Whose sleeves are too long. Je n'aime pas le film dont l'histoire, okay, dont l'histoire est trop triste. Okay, now Denise parle à Akanksha de sa chanteuse préférée. Denise talks to Akanksha about his favorite singer, Celine Dion. Tu veux jeter un coup d'œil sur ma collection Céline Dion? You want to have a look. Jeter un coup d'œil means to have a look. You want to have a look on my collection, Céline Dion. J'en ai déjà une idée. I already have an idea. Tu as tant d'affiches de Céline. You have so many posters of Céline. Tant de means so many. Affiche means posters. Regarde. Et tu rappelles du concert pendant lequel elle a jeté les foulards. Look. And do you remember the concert during which elle a jeté le foulard, she threw the mufflers or scarves? Akanksha, tu as de la chance, you are lucky. Tu en as un sur lequel elle a signé. You have one on which she signed. Tiens, c'est une photo dans laquelle elle est à côté de ma cousine. See or hold. Here is a photo dans laquelle, in which, photo is feminine, that's why laquelle is written in feminine form. Elle est, she is next to my cousin. Et ce stylo avec son autographe, où tu l'as trouvé? And this pen with her autograph, where did you find it? Where did you get it from? J'ai acheté des CD avec lesquels je l'ai reçu gratuitement. I bought the CDs with which, CDs is masculine and lesquels. Je l'ai reçu. I received it free of cost. Gratuitement, free of cost. Reçu, recevoir verb. Past participle of recevoir verb. Oh, on dit qu'elle donne un concert dans notre ville le mois prochain. Le mois prochain. On dit, it is said that she has a concert in our city next month. Et on peut gagner les billets pour lesquels j'ai acheté les DVD chaque semaine. And we can, per is pouvoir verb, gagner means to win. We can win the tickets for which I buy, acheter to buy DVDs every week. Okay? Denise. Tiens, c'est une photo dans laquelle elle est à côté de ma cousine. Here is the text from the third image. Okay. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay. They are asking you to observe dans laquelle. Ok, now à toi. Pronom relatif et ajoutez la préposition qui convient. La fille, il est allé à l'école et sa voisine. The girl with which she went to the school is her neighbor. So we can write here avec fille is feminine, laquelle. Les villes, the cities, il y a trop de circulation, sont beaucoup plus polluées. There is too much traffic, are very much polluted. So, dans laquelle we can use dans lesquelles. In which. Les routes, ils sont passées, étaient très glissées. Les routes par lesquelles. Through which or by which. They passed were very slippery. Les mayonnaises, Denis a mangé le crabe, l'a rendu malade. Les mayonnaises avec laquelle, with which Dennis ate crabs, made him sick. Le train Ali est monté était bondé. The train Ali boarded was full. So, in which, dans laquelle, in which. Quelques expressions avec le mot travail. Some expressions with the word travail. Okay, these expressions you can memorize because it will help you to write the letter. Content d'avoir un travail, happy to have a work. Chercher du travail or chercher un travail, search for a work. Donner du travail à quelqu'un, give work to someone. Le travail temporaire, temporary work or part-time. Amito means part-time. Le travail en équipe, teamwork. Équipe means team. Le travail de nuit, night shift. Le travail intellectual, intellectual work. Le travail scolaire, school work. Le travail manuel, manual jobs. Au chômage. This is important, okay? Chômage. Unemployment. Pierre, ça fait un an que John est au chômage. It's been a year since John is unemployed. Denise, oui, mais de temps en temps, il fait de l'intérim. But time to time, he does seasonal jobs. Intérim. C'est vrai, that's true. Il faut qu'il soit embauché à plein temps. It is necessary that he gets job, full-time job. He gets full-time recruitment. Demande Louis d'aller s'inscrire sur le site internet de Pôle emploi.fr. Ask him. Demander verb means to ask. Louis means him. Ask him to go and register himself on the website Pôle emploi.fr. Denise. C'est ce qu'il fait. That's what he is doing. Et il parcourt aussi les annonces classées. He also follows classifieds. He also covers classified. Son CV est bon. His CV is good. Il ne doit pas y avoir de problème. He must not have the problems. So you're optimist. Be optimist. Let's be optimist. Okay, now reliez les deux phrases avec qui, que ou non. Connect both phrases using que, qui ou non, basically pronom relatif simple. Ali cherche une maison. Ali search for a house. Il y a une grande piscine dans cette maison. There is a big pool in this house. So I can write here only. So repetition is maison. Before repetition, there is a preposition. So we will remove this preposition and the repetition and write here dans laquelle. Since maison is feminine, so dans laquelle. Ali searched for a house in which there is a big pool. Paulina achete une jupe. Pauline bought a skirt. La taille de cette jupe est bonne. The size of this skirt is good. So set jupe is the repetition. The preposition is before that. So instead of the set jupe, you will write don here. So Paulina a acheté une jupe dont la taille est bonne. You will remove the set jupe. Je vous montrerai les photos. Je vous ai déjà parlé de ces photos. Okay, again, photo is the repetition. The is before that. You can use here dont, but also you can use pronom relatif composé, right? You can use desquels. Quelles, desquels. Also, you can use here with instead of dont, you can use the laquelle because jupe is singular, feminine. Nargis a pris des photos en course. Elle a monté ses photos à ses amis. Ses photos is a repetition. Remove ses photos and put que here. Que elle montre à ses amis. Il nous a parlé d'un travail. Ce travail est très facile. Il nous a parlé d'un travail qui est très facile. Okay, mais les pronoms relatifs qui conviennent. Pauline raconte l'histoire d'un vieux film. Pauline tells us the story of an old film. Elle a oublié le nom. She forgot the name. Dont elle a oublié le nom. Whose name she forgot. C'est le héros du film. This is the hero of the film. Elle aime beaucoup. Qu'elle aime beaucoup. Qu'elle aime beaucoup. That she likes a lot. C'est lui, it's him. Qui a bien joué dans ce film. Who played very well in this movie. Elle a vu ce film dans son village. He saw this film in his village. Où il était né, where he was born. Voilà ma grand-mère, j'ai une grande affection à laquelle. C'est sa maison, it's his house. Passons à la pièce. Je travaillais pendant mon enfance. Dans laquelle? Because pièce is feminine. Voici ma petite chaise. Je me asseyais. Here is my small chair on which. Sur laquelle. Or we can also use dans laquelle. We can sit in the chair. Et mon baladeur and my earphones. Avec lesquels. Avec lequel. With which I used to take a walk. Order doesn't come in exam, so we can skip the question. Quelles sont les différentes parties d'un CV? What are the different parts of the CV? So, okay, I will write the answers in chat. Qui est Céline Dion? Who is Céline Dion? Céline Dion est une chanteuse québécoise. Nomme quelques objets qu'on trouve dans un bureau. Name some objects that we can find in an office. We can find a chair, we can find clips, we can find computer, files. So I'll write the names, okay? Quelle profession aimes-tu? Which profession do you love? This is for you to do. Which profession do you like? À quel âge commence-t-on à chercher un travail? From what age do we start finding a job? Start searching a job. 16 years or 17 years. Okay, so we are done with the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can write in comment section, and I will share the link of Pronoralati sample and compose in chat or in comment section. You can go and go to that video. You can check and go to that video. And also I'm writing the questions, the answer of the questions in the chat. Okay, not in the chat, in the comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video.